And it's working. See, अली रिमोट से कर रहा है. ये देखिए, मैं दिखाती हूँ. It's going up.
Hey guys, we got another PR package.
Congratulations.
It's a
Let's see what's in it. Let's open it.
It's a curtain that it's a curtain
Mhm.
that is that gets controlled by a remote.
Yay! And where is the link?
The link is in the description below.
Yes, buy from there and like, share and subscribe. Let's open it.
Let's open it.
Ooh. Ooh. Box in a box. Box in a box. Ooh. So this is another small box in it. Yes.
Boxing.
Let's open it. There was another box in this big box.
What?
The vertical box. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
I think that's another box.
Yay. No, this is a packing, not a box. Yes. What does it say?
It says no drill, no tools, motorized smart roller blinds.
Yay. Let's try
You don't
it.
need anything for it.
Mhm. Okay, no drill, no tools. Oh. Ooh, ooh.
There's a
Yay. Yes, there is a charger there. Yes.
Pet safe, child and pet safe, rechargeable batteries,
Mm-hmm.
blackout fabric, so it's gonna make it darken it. No touch installation, no drill installation, instant setup
Okay.
and privacy protection. So,
this
everything is
easy.
up there.
Yeah, this is easy to set up. You don't need a lot to set it up.
This is pretty good if you want to use. If you wanted to go up, you could just press a button on the remote. And it'll go up.
Yes,
And if you
yes.
wanted to go down, so it could be dark, you could press the button.
So
to
those
go
who
down.
are a little sick or ill, or those who are old, they can use it very easily, and even the kids can do it. Adults, obviously, very easily. Ooh.
I'm excited.
Okay.
I'm excited.
We are all excited. Yes, yes, yes. So that's what was in the box. Yay! Now let's fix it. This one is charging cable, and this O is by this little kid without charger. He is charged by the God himself. God charged him forever, inshallah. I'm real. Okay. What is this?
Remote.
Remote. So this is remote. Okay.
How to use it.
What is this?
Manual.
Okay, use a manual.
Yep. that's
Okay.
it. Easy. अच्छा जी क्या दे चुकी है Solar
What is
panel.
this?
Solar panel.
Okay, solar panel.
So it's charged by solar panel.
Yes, you
Yes.
can charge it by solar panel.
You can charge it by
Put
solar
it, Put it to
panel.
the window
Okay.
and it'll charge automatically. All the way.
Okay.
Okay, now the question is, how are we gonna do this? Hold on, tell you. They come here.
Okay, Ali is coming here with his new shoes. He was wearing a worn out one, so I asked him to change, and Ahmed has changed as well. Look at their shoes. These are two boys. Okay, here are their shoes. Minecraft. Okay, and Ahmed. Ahmed is going to have one as well, but a different one, a little different one, isn't it?
No, I changed my mind. I'm gonna get the same one because
You are going to get the
I
same?
want to match with my cousin.
Ooh.
And look at the behind of it.
Oh.
It says Minecraft here.
Okay.
पीछे
There's a curtain here. We will replace it.
बहुत बड़ा है.
Guys, we have changed our mind और अब हम इसको यहाँ लगाने जा रहे हैं क्योंकि अंदर वाली खिड़की पर वो पूरा नहीं आया. खिड़की छोटी थी तो अब हम इसको यहाँ लगाएंगे और फिर आपको दिखाएंगे. ये देखिए.
Connect the charging cable.
Okay. Connect with the charging cable. Okay.
Right there, connected.
Mhm.
Then
See, we did it.
comes with the batteries.
Yes.
2 batteries.
Okay.
Install them.
Mhm.
Ali is holding the cover. Right there. We're gonna see.
And it's working. See, अली रिमोट से कर रहा है. ये देखिए, मैं दिखाती हूँ. ये अली है
Pause.
ये
Pause.
और ये है.
Now, yeah.
It's going up.
Pause. Pause.
Now Ahmed is doing it with this remote. Ahmed, take it down. Okay, and then take it up. Take it up. Ooh. It's working, and this is soundless, all quiet. Yay! They both are using this remote. Okay, let's see how does it work. Okay, it's coming down. Yay!
Start. Pause. Pause.
Okay.
Pause.
Pause.
Okay, now go up.
Go up. Okay, it's working. Yay!
Pause.
With this remote.
That's
With this remote. It is working with this remote. Yay! Ali, do it again. Take it up and take it down. Yay! It's going up. Works with this remote.
Soundless motor.
And this is a soundless motor. Yay! And it's coming down. Yay! It's working. Buy from the link in the description below. See you in another video. Allah Hafiz. Fiman Allah. Okay.